Formulas are an algebraic expression of a pattern. The formula helps us find any solution within that pattern. Here we have, we've been given a formula and we've been asked to find t given two pieces of information, so what we need to substitute that into the formula. To do that, we just rewrite the formula replacing t and g with 9.8 and 2.8. So we just go 2 pi times the square root of 2.8 over 9.8. We input that onto our calculator and we get 3.25, corrected 2 decimal places. Again, we have another formula here, and that is the formula for the volume of a cylinder, and again we just substitute the formula in. So we have pi times 3 squared times 6, and it's a volume, and when we put that in our calculator we have 169.65 units cubed. The reason I wrote units cubed here was because I know that this is the volume formula, and whenever I find a volume, the answer is always in units cubed. Sometimes with formulas we can be given a formula and then asked to solve. Alright, so when we're solving a formula we need to find the answer to x. Well, to do this I'm going to use my backtracking and tell the story of x. There was the number x. First thing I did to x, I times it by 5. After I multiplied by 5, I plussed it by 4. There's nothing else left on this side of the equation for x, so I draw my lines, 114, 114, and I go up doing the opposites. Minus 4, divide by 5. 114 minus 4 is 110. 110 divided by 5 is 22. Therefore, x equals 22. Here again, I have another formula. By the looks of it, it looks like it's the volume formula again, and I need to find r. So I start off with, there was the number r. First thing I did was I squared it. After it's squared, it was multiplied by pi and by 5. The answer was 770. I divide by 5, divide by pi, square root, and the answer to that is 7. Therefore, r equals 7 units, because again I know that's the volume of a cylinder.